No fucking way the wind was this strong that it broke the fucking back plate for buzzsaw. It knocked over the bar, and it flung my tent. Are you fucking kidding me? Halloween's in like a week. Are you? Oh my fuck. And that's leading again. Wonderful. Fucking thanks, Illinois. Alright, so this side of the bar is completely broken off. It's totally come loose from the rest of it. I'll have to fix that. The buzzsaw back plate is firstly the actual support. The fucking hinge broke for it, so that's great. This broke off, which holds that board on. This 2x4 is starting to break off. This board, part of it broke off. This is broke, so I need to fix all that. The tent's just fucked. I can't even like compress it because of how fucked the metal got from that. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I do not know what I'm gonna do about this. I don't know. Fuck, dude. Surprisingly, by some miracle, this is fine. And so is the tunnel for the most part. It was just leaning over a bit more, but besides that. Alright, I got still about an hour until I gotta go to work. Fix the back plate, kind of reinforced it a bit more. Did not realize that this spotlight got crushed. Okay, that's better. Yeah, this guy's fine. Fixed everything on that. The tent, I am gonna see if my light bulb survived, which I partially doubt. We bought another tent, which, okay, Dad, thank you, and we're just gonna salvage the tarp and probably the legs from this one, and then just make the rest of the structure out of wood for this guy. But I want to see if my light bulb survived. So, alright, yeah, I'm really hoping that this light bulb is still fine. I'm just gonna... Oh! Huh, what do you know? I'm kind of surprised, honestly. Okay, so, bar's fixed. This side of the counter completely fell off. I re-screwed this on here and did it a little bit differently, so now it's like better enforced. That board fell off, but I'm honestly leaving it like this because it honestly looks kind of good. But yeah, this side was completely loose, and this connection was broken off. This was broken off. That connection was broken off. But yeah, that's all now back on, and I staked it down finally, so that, because it's very forward heavy, and that's, you know, part of the reason why it blew over. So yeah, the only thing is now I need to restaple that roof, and this particular pole I need to get a stake for, because right now it's just, I just have it like this, which is fine, but you know, I would like to not have it like that.